Hey, what if I told you there's an entire world living right under your nose? Actually, on your nose, and your hands, and your phone. I'm talking about the hidden world of microbes. And trust me, it's way cooler than you think. So, what are microbes? Imagine a living thing so tiny you could fit thousands of them on the head of a pin. Microbes, or microorganisms, are living things you can't see with the naked eye, but they're literally everywhere. And they play a massive role in everything from making your yogurt, to causing disease, to cleaning up oil spills in the ocean. Let's break it down. First up, bacteria. These are single-celled prokaryotes. Basically, they don't have a real nucleus. They come in all kinds of shapes: rods, spheres, spirals. Some are helpful, like the ones in your gut that help you digest food. Some, like the ones that cause strep throat, not so much fun. Then there's archaea. They look a lot like bacteria, but they're actually a totally different branch on the tree of life. Archaea are the tough guys. You'll find them in boiling hot springs or super salty lakes. They're pros at surviving where almost nothing else can. Next, fungi. You might think mushrooms, but fungi also include yeasts and molds. They're eukaryotes, which means they have a real nucleus like us. Fungi are the planet's decomposers, breaking down dead stuff and recycling nutrients. But some, like athlete's foot fungus, can make you itch in places you really don't want to. Now, protozoa. These are single-celled, eukaryotic, and many of them can move around using little tails or hairs. You'll mostly find them in water or soil. Some, like the ones that cause malaria, can be pretty nasty, but others just swim around minding their own business. Don't forget algae. These range from single-celled to multicellular forms. Algae are pretty much the unsung heroes of the aquatic world, making oxygen and serving as food for tons of creatures. Viruses, well, they're weird. They're not even really alive, just a shell with some DNA or RNA inside. But they can hijack living cells to make more copies of themselves. Think flu or COVID-19. And finally, multicellular animal parasites, like certain microscopic worms. They might not be as tiny as bacteria, but their infectious stages are, and they're big troublemakers for humans and animals. So next time you wash your hands, eat some bread, or even just breathe, remember, the world of microbes is always there, shaping life as we know it. Tiny but mighty. Who knew the smallest things could make the biggest impact?